Okay, welcome to another session in this series. In this session, we start with question number 23. In the previous session, we ended on question number 22. Okay, so in this session, we start with question number 23. And then before going to 24, we'll quickly jump to 25 because 25 is simpler and then 24 is a little bit longer. So actually, we can move this 24 to the next page, okay, so that we have enough space to work with. Okay, so let's move that. Let's move that. Okay, let's delete this. And then we bring this one right here. Okay, cool. All right. So just remember, question number 24 will come after we solved 23 and 25. It's at the back. It's at the other side here. 24 here. Okay, 24 is right here. So when we finish this, we go there. Cool. So it says, question number 23 says, simplify 5a plus 3b minus, into bracket, 2a minus 7b. Very simple, right? We just need to expand these brackets, then we subtract everything. We simplify it, okay? So now, this is a minus sign. So when we want to open this bracket, you have to be very careful because the minus will affect this and it will also affect this, okay? This minus here, it affects this and it affects this. So you have to be careful. So let's write it. You have 5a plus 3b minus 2a, and then this minus affect this minus, so it becomes what? Positive. Negate, po, okay? Negative, positive. Negate, po, okay? So just keep that in mind. Plus 7b. Okay, so now we have this whole expression and it contains two variables, a and b. So what we need to do is what? Group like terms and then simplify them. Okay, the terms with a, we group them, and then the terms with b, we group them. Okay, cool. So let's do that. So we have 5a minus 2a is one group, and then for b we have plus 3b plus 7b. Okay, so we group the b terms and then the a terms. Now we can simplify them. Okay, so we have 5a minus 2a will give us what? 3a, and then 3b plus 7b will give us what? 10b. So this is our answer, 3a plus 10b. We have it? Yes, it is the. Okay, cool. Let's move on to question number 25. Question number 25 says, simplify 2x to the power 4 and divide by 2x to the power 2x all to the power 4 divided by 2x to the power 4. Okay, so what's the difference between this and then the numerator? In the numerator, everything is raised to the power 4, and then at the bottom it's only x that is to the power 4, so you have to be careful. Okay, so we have 2x to the power 4 all over 2x to the power 4. Okay, so if we simplify this, that means that 2 is raised to the power 4 and x to the power 4. Okay, not just the x. Okay, so let's do that. 2 to the power 4 times x to the power 4 all over 2 times x to the power 4. Okay, so now we can easily cancel, right? Okay, so now you can cancel x power 4, x power 4. Okay, what are we left with? We are left with 2 to the power 4 over 2. Okay, so if you know the laws of indices, we know that when we have two same bases dividing, we subtract their exponents. Okay, so here will be the same as 2 to the power 4 minus 1, because here is the same as 2 to the power 1. Okay, so we subtract their exponent, which is 4 minus 1, and finally have 2 exponent 3. And now when we simplify 2 exponent 3 in the calculator, that is 2 times 2 times 2, which gives us what? 8. Okay, that is our answer, which is A. Okay, cool. Now let's move. We are done with question number 23 and 25. Okay, sorry, 23 and 25. We are moving on to which number? Yes, you're right, 24. So we are not going to work with this. We've done this. We've done this. Question number 24. So let me quickly take them out. And then we work with just this one. Okay, cool. Now in this question, I'm going to show you some trick so that you can quickly solve quadratic expressions. Okay, so here we have a quadratic over here and also another quadratic. Okay, so now normally if we would have a quadratic separate, we have x squared minus 5x minus 14, and we would like to factorize. You know the way to do it, right? So what we can do in this question is we take each expression, then we factorize them separately. Then after that, we divide them together. Okay, we divide them together. Okay, cool. So let's do the numerator first, which is this. Then we do the bottom. Okay, so what we do, we take the coefficient of x squared and we multiply it by the constant. So the coefficient here is what? 1. Okay, 1 times negative 14 is what? Negative 14. So now we need to find two factors such that when we multiply them, we get negative 14. Okay, and then we add them, we get what? Negative 5. What are those two factors? Think about it. You have negative 7 and positive 2. Because if you multiply 7 and 2, negative 7 and 2, you get negative 14. And then when we add negative 7 and 2, sorry, let me take that again. If you multiply negative 7 and 2, you get negative 14. Okay, 7 times 2, negative 14. And then when we add negative 7 and 2, you get the coefficient of x, which is what? Negative 5. Negative 7 plus 2 is what? Negative 5. So we continue like that. We write it in that form. 7x plus 2x minus 14. Okay, this is just an expansion. Negative 7 plus 2x is the same as negative 5x, and we get this by using the factors that we found. Okay, we just use negative 7 here, negative 7 here, and 2 here, 2 here. Okay, cool. All right, so now we can group like terms and then we expand, we factorize. Okay, so now what factor is common here? X, right? X is common, and then we'll be left with what? X minus 7 in the bracket. Okay, then on the right hand side we can factor out 2, then we are left with x minus 7. Now from this expression and this expression, what is common? X minus 7 is common, so we can factor that out. Okay, let's factor that out. X minus 7, factor it out, and when we do that, what is left here? X is left. Okay, so we open our brackets, we have x plus, similarly here we factor x minus 2 out, so x minus 7 out, we left it what? 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now we're done with the numerator, but before we go on to the denominator, now let me show you a trick. Okay, now if we have the coefficient of the x square to be 1, things become easy. Okay, because we can just use our factors to get our solution simply. Okay, we can just use our factors to get our solution, because when you look here, you have x minus 7, which is here. You just put x, then you add one of the factors, which is x minus 7, and then in the other bracket you have what? X plus 2, which is the other factor. Okay, very simple. Always works. That is if the coefficient of x squared is 1. Okay, it will always be like this, just x with the factors you have. So here you have x minus 7, and then you have x plus 2. Cool. Now so let's see if we can do that very fast for the denominator. Okay, so we have x squared minus 9x plus 14. Sorry. 14. Now, we multiply the coefficient of x squared with the constant, which is what? 14. Okay? So now, what two factors that when we multiply them, we get negative 14. And then when we add them, we get negative 9. So those two factors are what? Negative 7 and negative 2. Okay, cool. So from what I told you here, what will be our answer? Our answer will be what? Just x, then minus 7, and then x, then minus 2, because our factors are negative 7 and negative 2. Okay, so this is our denominator. So now finally we put them together. The numerator is what? X minus 7, x plus 2. Where do you get that from? I get that from here. Okay, all over the denominator is what? X minus 7, x minus 2. Where do we get that from? We got that from right here. Okay, cool. Now this is sorry. This is our solution. This is our solution. But we're not done. We have to simplify further because we have similar things on top and down. Okay, so we have x minus 7 here and x minus 7 here, so they can cancel out. Okay, so let's cancel them out. Cancel x minus 7, x minus 7. What are we left with? We are left with x plus 2 over x minus 2. So that is our answer because we can't do anything anymore. Okay, that is our answer. Do we have it? X plus 2 over x minus 2. Yes, it's A. We have it right here. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for watching this session. In the next session, I'll see you with question number 26. Okay, thank you so much. See you again next time. Bye.